Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do a sugar cookie. Now this is not my mother's recipe. I remember her making sugar cookies, but when I found this recipe, it was so much better than anything I had ever had. In fact, they called it the best sugar cookie in the world. We're going to start off with 1 cup of granulated sugar. Then we're going to use a cup of powdered sugar, confectionate sugar. And we're going to do a cup of butter, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, and these are room temperature. We have 5 cups of all-purpose flour. It's WR flour. We have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of soda, and 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Now you can either sift this together or you can just mix it. And I'm just going to mix them together. Okay, we're doing a little walnut size. And we put them about 2 inches apart. You can decorate the top of these, anything you have in your house. I happen to have this little glass or cup that I like and see the design on it, where you can put it down a little sugar and see what a pretty little design it makes. Just makes them look better. I keep a little bowl of flour and keep it on my hands when I'm rolling these little balls out, and that keeps it from sticking to your hand so much. The dough is real sticky. Now our cookies are ready for the oven. And watch them real close. We ended up with supposed to be 4 dozen. I'm not sure, I didn't count them. I hope you enjoy these cookies as much as me and my family have. And I hope you do try them. And I hope to see you on our next family video. And thanks a lot for watching.